Google Pixel 10 Pro versus the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start with the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So it is Google's flagship Android device with a strong camera system, emphasis especially on computational photography, zoom features, and AI processing. Now the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max is the Apple's top flagship model for 2024 and 2025, featuring upgraded sensors, fusion camera system, and advanced video photo capabilities. So let's talk about its pros for Pixel 10. It is offering excellent photography credentials with a generous rear camera setup, strong software and AI enhancements, and is likely very good value if you want to compare the features versus the price depending on the region. Now for the iPhone 1 though, it is proven with the quality in camera tests, like for the example the DxO mark found in the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is excellent in portrait and video captures. It also offers strong hardware upgrades, video capabilities, and generally excellent integrations. The cons is though, Pixel 10 Pro has some reliability and real-world issues, while the iPhone 1 has some higher cost and users prioritize extreme hardware zoom over computational photography, which may feel less and feel Apple reaches the specs. So overall, it's best for users wanting edge photography and it's best for users who want experimenting with camera features. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications